Yes. One finish, very good. Please raise your hands if you are finished writing. Number 7, Panshu Jeevin. Right, let's mark dictation. Bulk. Scarcity. Excess. suggestion, packaging, conduct, soil organisms, solution, efficient, breed basket, trash, pesticide. Right. Let's see the marks. So please take your homework paper set. The second homework paper set. Please take your second homework paper set. Everyone hands down. Pasindu hand down. Right. So raise your hand if you have done reported speech. The first tute, reported speech tute. If you do this, please raise your hand. Sulaksha, yes. Reported speech. One, two. Because last week I asked you to do only the first side. 1 to 29. I asked you not to do the second side because I want to do some more examples on that. Direct speech can liyan epa kiwwa. Okay, so only 2 of you have done. Right, thanks. Hands down. Now again hands up if you have done the passive voice tute. It's simple grammar too. Passive voice tute. There are 100 sentences. No, okay, not to worry. Please raise your hand if you have done practice paper 4. Practice paper 4. Tenuji. Prasindu. Right. Thank you, children. Hands down. Okay. So actually, I am very sorry about this. You all have to complete these tudes. Right. Remember, if you come to the class, we do 1 day, 1 paper. Right. So, and your next paper set is also ready. So please send someone to the class to take that homework paper. For Satini and Umesha, I send the papers because their sisters and brothers came to class. So your next paper set is also ready. Anyway, today I will do some examples in the write the following sentences in direct speech. Write the following sentences in direct speech. So I will do some examples on that topic. Then after that, I will go to the pupils book and do some lessons there. Remember, from next week, you have to complete this second set. The first set, remember, it's about the prototype paper and practice paper 1, 2, 3 there. And in the second set, we have practice paper 4, then this passive voice 100 sentences, and this reported speech, right? So by next week, please try to complete this set and send someone to the class to take your next paper set. Okay, so take the grammar book. Maybe today, let's do these 30 sentences in the class, right? We cannot skip one by one. We have to complete one by one, right? Okay, so take the grammar book. From indirect speech to direct speech. From direct speech, sorry, from indirect speech, this is F. From indirect speech to direct speech. These days, I am having some signal problems, right? If you have younger brothers or sisters, you can see that some of my classes are interrupted by the signal problem. So if you cannot hear me anytime, please speak. සමහර වෙලාවට විනාඩි දෙක තුන අපිට ක්ලාස් කරගන්න බැරි වුණා පැය කාල භාගෙත් පොඩ් ලොකු අප්සෙට් වුණා පහුගිය දවස් දෙක තුනේම සිග්නල් ප්‍රොබ්ලම් ආවා right so if you cannot hear me anytime please tell me සමහර විට ඔයාගේ පැත්තේ සිග්නල් ප්‍රොබ්ලම් එකක් නෙමෙයි මේ පැත්තේ සිග්නල් ප්‍රොබ්ලම් එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන් right ඒ නිසා මම කියාගෙන යන ඔයගොල්ලෝ වැඩි ආන්සර් කරන්නේ නැති නිසා it's okay but ගොඩක් මගේ signal problem වෙනවා නම් අනිවාර්යෙන්ම කියන්න right because this is another grammar lesson also දැන් පොඩි පන්ති දෙක තුනකට මට ප්‍රශ්න ආවා signal මදි වෙලා ඒ නිසා ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ බැරි වෙලාවත් stuck වෙලා වගේ තියෙනවා නම් ටක් ගාලා කියන්න signal අවුල් යනවා කියලා right please tell me so this one if we do this way from direct speech to indirect speech, this is the other way. So last week we did, 2 weeks we did from direct speech to indirect. So today we are doing the other way around. Now we have to be very careful about the punctuation marks also. මොකද දැන් අපි direct speech එකෙන් ලියන්න යන්නේ ඒ නිසා punctuation marks very important. අර විරාම ලකුණු අවශ්‍ය තැනදී දාන්න වෙනවා. Right, let's get some examples. Number 1. You can write with me. I am doing some examples, right? So while listening, you can write. ලියන අහන ගමන් ලියාගෙන යන ලියන ගමන් අහගෙන ඉන්න, right? My brother said that he was hungry. Right? So my brother said that he was hungry. This is indirect speech. Right? So how do we change this to direct speech? My brother said that. Right? So we know that this is a sentence. That එකෙන් join කරන්න අපි sentence එකක්. අර theories ටික ඒ විදිහම තමයි. We just have to turn the way. ක්‍රමය මාරු කරන්න විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. Said. So this is a sentence as usual, comma, and we open inverted comma. දැන් අපි question එකක් නම් question mark වලින් end කරන්න ඕනේ. Sentence එකක් නම් full stop වලින් end කරන්න ඕනේ. that එකෙන් join කළේ අපි sentence එකක්. So this is a sentence. Right. He asked. දැන් අපි කලින් pronouns change කළා. Now the other way round. My brother said that he. So මේක මගේ brother කොහොමද කියන්නේ නැත්තේ? I. Right? අපි I තියන එකනේ my brother he කරන්නේ. So now it is the other way round. Was. දැන් කල්පනා කරලා බලන්න was කලේ මොන tense එකද? Right? Present tense. Am, is, are. අපි was were කළා. So I am hungry. So this is a logical thing, right? ඔයා තර්කානුකූලව හිතන්න ඕන දෙයක්. Now you can see the connection. My brother said that my brother, no. So he and go to was hungry. Full stop, inverted comma. Right? So this one you have to think carefully. අපි මේක ගත්තේ මොකතනින්ද කියන එක. Right? දැන් අපි simple past tense කලේ present tense එක. Past perfect කලේ simple past එක. Right? ඒ විදිහට connect කරගන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. Number 2. Today I will do some negatives, passives, everything also. Number 2, the students said also. The students said that they did not do that project. So how do we write? ළමයි මේක කොහොමද කියන්නේ නැත්තේ? The students said, comma, inverted comma, they students ලා මේක කියන්නේ නැත්තේ කොහොමද? We. Right? මෙතන we තිබුණොත් තමයි අපි data change කරන්නේ. දැන් මේ lesson එක කරන්න ඔයාලට මේ අනිත් පැත්ත මාරු කරන දේ කරන්න කලින් සතිවල කරපු සම්පූර්ණ lesson එකම ඔළුවේ තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Right? We should know the multiplication table to do division. බෙදීම කරන්න වැඩි කිරීමේ චක්‍රය අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. Just like that. මෙතන we තිබුණොත් තමයි අපි දේ කරන්නේ. Next one, did not do. What is the tense? Simple past tense negative. Api past tense kale present tense එක. So past tense negative අනිත් පැත්තට යනවා present tense negative. We plural present tense negative do not do. Right? Api present tense negative එක තමයි past tense negative කලේ. So we do not do that කලේ අපි this එක. Project. Full stop, inverted comma. Please speak up if you are not catching up this. Number 3, the secretary said that they were being helped by Mr. Pereira. So how to write? The secretary said. We know this is a sentence that. අපි they කරන්නේ V එක. Capital. Okay. Now what is the tense? Were BEING past participle. What is this tense? Was, were, BEING past participle is the passive of past continuous tense. Remember, this is passive. BEING past participle and passive එක. Was, were දාන්නේ අපි past. So past continuous passive එක තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. Right? අපි past continuous කලේ present continuous එක. Reported speech එකේ past continuous කලේ අපි present continuous එක. දැන් arrow එකෙන් එහා පැත්ත දීලා තියෙනවා මෙහා පැත්ත ගැනයි හිතන්න ඕන. Past continuous කරන්නේ අපි present continuous tense එක. දැන් ඔයාලට දීලා තියෙන්නේ passive. So what is present continuous passive? We are being helped. Right? Check again. ඔයාගේ verb එක දීලා තියෙන්නේ past continuous passive. අපි past continuous passive කලේ present continuous passive එක. So how to make the present continuous passive? Am, is, are, BEING and the participle. So we are being helped by Mr. Pereira. Right. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඔයාට මේ විදිහට අනිත් පැත්ත හරවන්න දෙනවා නම් අර normal chart එක side එකකින් පොඩි short note එකක් දාගන්න. Present tense. Right. So what I was telling is, if you are going to do this question, just write a short note by the side. Right? We take present tense to the past and past tense to the past perfect. Right? So that we can see the connection. Present continuous, past continuous. Right? මේ විදියට short note එකක් දාගන්න. can එක could කරනවා, will එක would කරනවා, like that. Then we can see. So this one here we have past continuous passive. Past continuous කලේ අපි present continuous එක. Right? ඔයාලට දීලා තියෙනවා නම් past perfect එක, ඒ ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ simple past tense එකේ. Like that. මේක ලියාගෙන තිබුණොත් ඔයාලට ටක් ගාලා අනිත් පැත්ත පේනවා. Right? වැඩි හිතන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ, කෙලින්ම පේනවා. So number 4. ඔව්. නෑ තුන් පාරක් ලියන්න කියන ඩික්ටේෂන් දවස කියන්නම් කියන. ඔව්. ඔව්. තුන් පාරක් ලියලා තියන්න කියන ඩික්ටේෂන් දවස කියනවා කියන. පේපර් එච්චරයි. ඒක කරන්න කියන. homework. ඔව්. Right. The man said that someone had broken the tap. Right? So this can be something special. Let's write. The man said. Someone. So someone is not connected to the man. That is not a pronoun change. Then we write someone. Had broken. Right. Now carefully think. Had broken is from past perfect tense. Reported speech එකේ අපි past perfect tense එකට දැම්මේ මොනවද? Remember, simple past. ඔයාගේ short note එක බලන්න පෙරලා short note එකට simple past එක අපි past perfect කළා. And also remember, present perfect එක present perfect එක අපි දැම්මේ past perfect එකට. Please ask me if you have any questions about this, right? මේක ටිකක් පැටලිලි සහගතයි වගේ පේන්න පුළුවන්. But ඔයා අර short note එක ටක් ගාලා පෙරලලා බැලුවොත් මේක ඔයාලට පැහැදිලිව දකින්න පුළුවන්. Simple past එක අපි past perfect කළේ. Present perfect එකත් අපි past perfect කළේ. So when you going backwards, මේක ආපස්සට යනකොට you can write this in simple past tense or present perfect tense, because the both answers are correct. Past perfect comes from simple past tense. Also, past perfect comes from present perfect. So we can write in two ways. Let's write the simple past first. So the both answers are correct, right? Remember, someone past simple past එකට යනවා broke. Someone broke the tap. Full stop. The man said that someone broke the tap. Make අනිත් පැත්තට දාලා බලන්න report කරලා. The man said that someone broke කියන්නේ simple past tense එක. Simple past tense එක අපි past perfect කරනවා. So had done the past participle. Someone had broken the tap. Again, we can write, the man said someone, present perfect. What is present perfect? Have, has, and the past participle. So someone singular has broken the tap. Children, please tell me if you have any questions about this. Here the both answers are correct. We can go to the simple past tense. Simple past tense go to past perfect. We can go to the present perfect because present perfect go to past perfect. So remember the both answers are correct. Please raise your hand if I can erase number 3. Sulaksha finish, Tilan finish. I want to erase number 3. Right. Thank you, children. Thank you. So I will take one more example from this past perfect. The child said that his parents had visited the principal. Had visited. So we can start writing the answer. The child said, comma, his parents. So ළමයා කියන්නේ his parents. අපි his කරන්නේ possession අයිතිය. So my parents. මේක ළමයා කියන්නේ නැත්තේ my parents කියලා. right? ඒකයි අපි his parents කියලා අනිත් පැත්තට change කරලා තියෙන්නේ. The child said my parents had visited. Had visited කියන්නේ past perfect එක. අපි simple past tense එක දාන්නේ past perfect එකට. So I can write simple past tense. My parents visited the principal. Full stop, inverted comma. Also, we have another pattern, another answer. The child said, my parents, my capital, those are simple things. මෙතන comma inverted comma දාලා ඔය අලුත් sentence එකක් පටන් ගන්න right ඒ නිසා ඒව capital වලින් පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ. So my parents අපි past perfect කළා present perfect එක. So how to write the present perfect? Have, has. My parents have visited the principal. Inverted comma. Right? So like that, we can write both answers. Coin, C-O-I-N, coin. The boy asked me if I could give him a coin, C-O-I-N, coin. Right. So if you look at this sentence, you can see one shot that this is what? Ask. It's a question. The joining word is if, so it is a tag question. Right? So the first thing you have to think is that ask කියන එකෙන් අපි ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහලා තියෙන්නේ, if කියන එකෙන් මේ join කරලා තියෙන්නේ tag question එකක්. Whether if කියන එකෙන් අපි tag questions join කරන්නේ, right? Okay. So then question එකක් කියන idea එකෙන් ඔයා මේක අනිත් පැත්ත හරවනවා. The boy asked me, comma, inverted comma. So, how do we make a normal tag question? What is the order to make a normal tag question? Am, is, are, do, does, was, were, may tag question. හදන order එක මොකක්ද? Tag, tense tag එක and SVO, question mark. Right? That's all. We take the tense tag, SVO. So, what is the tense tag? If I could give. Now look at this. Api could kale can neka. Right? Api could kale can neka. So the question tag is can. Api could kale can neka. You know, question tag එක can. මෙතනින් එහාට අපි SVO follow කරනවා. So I ළමයා මගෙන් ඇහුවේ මට පුළුවන් ද දෙන්න කියලා. දැන් ළමයා මේක මගෙන් අහන්නේ නැත්තේ කොහොමද? ළමයා මේක මගෙන් අහනවද මට පුළුවන් ද රුපියල් මට පුළුවන් ද කාසියක් දෙන්න කියලා? නෝ ළමයා මගෙන් අහන්නේ ඔයාට පුළුවන් ද මට කාසියක් දෙන්න. So අපි I කියන එකට change කරන්නේ you. Pronouns change is very important, right? That is logical. තර්කානුකූලව හිතන්න ඕන. You, can you? මේක අපි අනිත් පැත්තට දැම්මොත් you මගෙන් අහන්න. So I. Right? Can you? Tense tag ready. Subject ready. Verb. Can එක original verb. And the object. Him. ළමයාට කාසියක් දෙන්න කියලා ළමයා කියන්නේ. එහෙනම් ළමයා මේක කොහොමද කියන්නේ නැත්තේ? ඔයාට පුළුවන් ද දෙන්න මට කාසියක්. ළමයා එහෙම නේද කියන්නේ නැත්තේ? ළමයා මගෙන් අහන්නේ නැත්තේ එහෙම. ඔයාට පුළුවන් ද මට කාසියක් දෙන්න? right? එතකොට මම මේක report කරනවා මට පුළුවන් ද ඔහුට කාසියක් දෙන්න. එතකොට ඔහු ළමයා වෙනවා. right? So can you give me object pronoun? අපි කලිනුත් කතා කරගත්ත reported speech එකේදී pronouns chart එකේ හතර වටේ දුවන්නේ. ඔයාලට දීලා තියෙන්නේ subject pronoun එකක් නම් subject pronouns වලින්මයි change වෙන්නේ. Object pronouns, object pronoun. Possession, possession. Right? So this is an object pronoun. Also we take the object pronoun. Me, a coin. And remember the question mark. Can you give me a coin? මේක අනිත් පැත්තට දාලා බලන්න ඔයා හරිද කියලා. The boy asked me if I could give him a coin. අනිත් පැත්තට බලන එක ඔයාලට ලේසි ඇති, right? තාම practice එක මදි නිසා. Let's go to one more question. The principal asked the students whether they had sent the invitations. Right, so you can start writing the answer. Right, so imagine the situation. There is principal and there are the students. Right, imagine the situation. So the principal asked the students whether they had sent the invitations. Now we have to write a tag question. We have to write a tag question because the joining word is whether. Api whether can join kale tag question. So what is the order for tag question? Tag SVO. What is the tag? Let's check our verb had and the past participle. So remember, had and the past participle, we have two situations. Number one, simple past tense. Number two, present perfect tense. Api simple past tense eka past perfect kala, present perfect eka past perfect kala. So let's make number one a simple past tense question. Then for number two, we can make present perfect question. Right. What is our simple past tense question? How to make a simple past tense question? Did. Right? Simple past tense tag එක did. What is the subject? They. Pronoun එක ළමයින්ට අදාළයි. Principal ළමයින්ගෙන් අහන්නේ. Principal ළමයින්ගෙන් අහනවා ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ වැඩේ කළාද? So the subject is you. Did you? Right. What is the verb? Very careful. How to make simple past tense question. දැන් ඔයාට ඉතුරු වෙලා තියෙන පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක්. Simple past tense එකේ ප්‍රශ්නයක් හදන්නේ කොහොමද? Did SVO. දැන් verb එක කොහොමද? Did එකත් එක්ක original verb එක. Remember do, does, did, will ඒවා ඔක්කොමත් එක්ක original verb එක. Right? So did you send the invitations? Question mark. Did you send the invitations? Now you can check back. ආපස්සට check කරගෙන යන්න. The principal asked the students whether you students la එනම් they did කියන්නේ simple past tense එක. Simple past tense එක අපි past perfect කරනවා. Past perfect එක හදන්නේ had and the past participle. So had sent the invitations. Next we can make the present perfect question. The principal asked the students now we are going to make present perfect. So how to write present perfect? Have, has, have you, and the past participle. Have you sent the invitations? Have you sent the invitations? This is like maths actually. It's logical thinking. You have to think logically. Right? තර්කානුකූලව හිතන්න වෙනවා ඔයාට. දෙවරක් 3 6යි නම් 6 දෙකෙන් බෙදුවම කීයද? Something like that. Father asked the man when the following train would leave. Let's start writing. Father asked the man, comma. The joining word is when. So we know it is a WH question and the WH question is when. WH question වලදී තමයි අපි ඒ tag එකෙන්ම join කළේ. Right? Okay. So how to make a WH question? අපි tag question එකක් හැදුවේ tag SVO. Then how to make a WH question? WH how to make a WH question? WH tense tag SVO question. Right? අපි tag question එකක් හැදුවා tag එකයි SVO WH question එකක් හැදුවා WH tense tag SVO question. Now we have to follow this order. Already we have the WH when. Then we have to follow tense tag and SVO. So father asked the man when. What is the tense tag? See here. Would එක original verb එක අපි would කළේ will එක. So what is the tense tag? Will. Okay. What is the tense tag? Will. අපි would කළේ will එක. Now WH ready. Tense tag ready. What is the subject? Follow with the following train. Following කළේ අපි next එක. The next train. The next train. Following කළේ අපි next එක. මම මේක මෙතෙන්ට ගන්න. The next train. Father asked the man, when will the next train? When will the next train? Okay, check again. We have the WH, we have the tense tag, we have the subject. Now we want the verb. What is the verb? Will and the original verb. So what is the original verb? Leave. Object එකක් නෑ ඒ question එකේ. Leave question mark. When will the next train leave? Tenuji, am I doing fast? No, no, thank you, thank you. I am very worried about you, right? If you are catching the lesson or not, because I can't see your faces. Right. Let's do 2 more examples and go to the tute, number 9. The boys asked the man where they could drink water. The boys asked the man where they could drink water. Right, we can see that this is a WH question. And what is the WH question? Where the boys asked the man. Where? Remember the order? Where? Tense tag SVO. What is the tense tag? Could. අපි could කළේ can එක. Simple. Subject. We. Boys asked the man. We තමයි අපි they කරන්නේ නැත්තේ. So the subject is they. We. Where can we? Original verb. Can එකත් එක්ක original verb එක. Where can we drink water? Where can we drink water? Number 10. Father told me not to miss my lessons. Right. We can see what's going on here. අපි not එකෙන් join කළේ negative command එක. Yes. Positive command එකක් to and the original verb. Negative command එකක් not to and the original verb. So, how to make a negative command? එපා. Don't and the original verb. Don't run. Don't be late. Don't shout. Don't sit there. Don't swim. Don't epa. So, father told me, comma, don't miss. Don't and the original verb. Don't miss. My lessons. The father මේක මට කියන්න නැත්තේ කොහොමද? ඔයාගේ පාඩම් මිස් කරගන්න එපා. So, ඔයාගේ your lessons. Don't miss your lessons. Right? That is how my father told me. Don't miss your lessons. See, this is a possessive pronoun. This is a possessive pronoun. So the question we have a possessive pronoun. Answer we have a possessive pronoun. මේක මට තාත්තා කිව්වේ don't miss your lessons. So they are my lessons, right? That is the question and answer. Okay. So if you are finished writing the examples, let's come to the second page of the tute. Come to the second page of the tute. A reported speech tute. Mr. Paul said that. Right? We have 30 sentences. Let's do them now in the online class. You can ask me any difficult words or any questions. Let's do them now. Once you finish writing, please raise your hands. Short note එක සම්පූර්ණ short note එකම ළඟින් තියාගන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලට ස්පීඩ් එක වැඩි කරගන්න පුළුවන්. හැමතිස්සෙම හිත ඉන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. මේ ටෙන්ස් එක කොහෙන්ද ආවේ කොහෙටද යන්නේ කියලා, right? So ටටක් ගාලා note එකක් දාගන්න. නැත්නම් කලින් ලියපු note එකක් ළඟින් තියාගන්න. grammar book එකේ නම් note එක තියෙන්නේ full step එකක මේ answer ටික ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Whatever ඔයාගේ මොන හරි shortcuts හදාගන්න. Let's do them now. Mr. Paul said that he hoped to retire that year. He hoped. Simple past tense එකට ගිහින් තියෙන්නේ. Simple past එකට යන්නේ අපි simple present tense එක. Number 2, Malki asked me whether. Whether එකෙන් යන්නේ අපි tag question එක. Could. Could කලේ can එක. My mother asked me not to buy outside food. Negative command එක. Don't take it unknown, right? Like that. Try yourself. You can ask me anything. I'm here. Try 1 to 30. Last week I sent you two double pages for dictation words. So you can mark verge, extinction, threatened, region, survive, range, confined, prey, sport hunting, majestic, except, bluebird. Right? I think you have written the words in the writing book. From verge to bluebird, next week dictation. 4, April 4. Right, I think we can mark these. So take your red pen, number 1. Mr. Paul said, comma, open inverted comma. I hope to retire this year. Full stop, close inverted mark. He hoped, simple past tense. So simple present tense. Number 2, Malki asked me, can I use your hand phone? Can I use your hand phone? Question mark. Can I use your hand phone? My mother asked me, don't buy outside food. Don't buy outside food. Radhika and Hasita said that they had to move. Had to enne කොහෙන්ද අපිට? Have or has and the original verb. Right? Had කියන්නේ simple past tense එක. Have has කියන්නේ simple present tense එක. Past participle නැති වුණොත් participle ආවොත් තමයි මේගොල්ලෝ perfect tenses වලට යන්නේ. Past participle නැති වුණොත් මේගොල්ලෝ original verbs වෙනවා. Right? Auxiliary verbs සහායක ක්‍රියාපද නෙමෙයි. සහායක ක්‍රියාපද විදියට වැඩ කරන්නේ perfect tenses වලදී. එතකොට participle එකක් අනිවාර්යෙන් තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Participle එකක් නැහැ කියන්නේ මේගොල්ලෝ original verbs විදියට වැඩ කරනවා. So had to, Radhika and Hasita said. We plural, we have to. We have to move house. We have to move house. Move house කියන්නේ එක ගෙදරකින් වෙන ගෙදරකට යනවා, right? කුලියට වෙන්න පුළුවන්, නැත්නම් new house එකක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Move house. Number 5. My brother said, I don't know this man. I don't know. Now you can use the short form. Reported speech, direct speech එක ගැන කතා කරන්නේ. කියන්නේ මේක spoken English, right? So you can use the short form. වාගේ question එක තියෙන්නේ did not know. Did not know කියන්නේ simple past tense negative එක. Past tense negative කලේ අපි present tense negative එක. So I don't know this man. This එක තමයි that කරන්න නැත්තේ. I don't know this man. Number 6. Father said. Right. Number 6 එක වල තියෙන්නේ answer එක had not got. ඒ කියන්නේ past perfect එක. Past perfect එක අපි ආකාර දෙකකින් හදනවා. I haven't got. I haven't got කියන්නේ present perfect tense එක. ඒ වගේම ඔයාලට simple past tense එකෙන් හදන්න පුළුවන්. Negative didn't get. Right? So the both answers are correct. Father said, I haven't got any appointments for the weekend? Also, you can write, father said, I didn't get, simple past tense negative. I didn't get any appointments for the weekend. So the both answers are correct. Jenny said, I have been කියන්නේ present perfect එක. What is the negative? What is the past tense? What is the past tense? දැන් ඔයාගේ number 7 question verb එක තියෙන්නේ had been. Number 7 question එක තියෙන්නේ had been. had එක past participle එක. Right? දැන් මේක අපිට සරලවම present perfect කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වගේම simple past tense යන්නත් පුළුවන්. Simple past tense යන්නේ කොහොමද? මේ කියන්නේ had එක past participle එක. එහෙනම් මොකද්ද original verb එක? been කියන එකේ word එක original verb එක am is are. been කියන්නේ participle එකනේ. එයාගේ original verb එක am is are. එහෙනම් past tense එක මොකද්ද? simple past tense එක. was were. was were. Right? දැන් අපිට අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ මෙතෙන්ට simple past tense එක. So I was. Right? එතකොට number 7 answer එක ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Jenny said, I have been to pay less. එහෙම නැත්නම් I was to pay less. I have been to pay less. I was to pay less. Number 8. Student said, we didn't see. We didn't see. Simple past tense. Negative. Didn't and the original verb. We didn't see. අපි present perfect negative එකට ගියොත් haven't seen. එතනදී ගන්න participle එක. We haven't seen. And their science teacher, our science teacher වෙන. මොකද students ලා තමයි කියන්නේ. So you can write the answer. Students said, we did not see our science teacher at the assembly. Students said, we haven't seen our science teacher at the assembly. Both answers are correct. Number 9. Mrs. Sharon asked me. It's a question. So you can ask the question in present perfect tense. Have I forgotten? Have I forgotten anything? You can ask the past tense. Did I forget? Did I forget anything? And the question mark. Did I forget anything? Did එක original verb එක present perfect එකේ හැදුවොත් have has එක past participle එක. Have I forgotten anything? Or did I forget anything? Number 10. The painter said, we want. You can write the short form. We want complete the work. Original verb. We want complete the work by this weekend. This weekend. We want complete the work by this weekend. 11. The tourist said, we are happy about our accommodation. We are happy. What is your question? They were happy. Yes. We are happy about our accommodation. They were happy about their accommodation. So we are happy about our accommodation. Uncle Joy said, I can easily The Uncle Joy said he could easily buy us. අපටනේ මේක කියලා තියෙන්නේ. Right? So, අපිට කිව්වා කියන idea එකෙන් ගන්න ඕනේ. Uncle Joy said that he could easily buy us tickets. අපිට ticket ගන්න පුළුවන් කියනවා Uncle Joy ට ලේසියෙන්ම. So, Uncle Joy said, I can easily buy you. Us එක you වෙනවා. ඔබට. Buy you tickets for the coming match. Buy you tickets for the coming match. 13. Rahul said, Rahul කියනවා my dress was elegant. ඒ කියන්නේ රහල් මට කියනවා වෙන්න ඕනනේ. Rahul said that my dress was elegant. So මේක රහල් කියන්නේ කොහොමද? Your dress is elegant. Elegant means very beautiful. Your dress is elegant. Mother asked me. Part of simple past tense එකෙන් අහන්න පුළුවන්. Did you clean? Did you clean? Original verb එක. Present perfect එකෙන් අහන්න පුළුවන්. Have you cleaned? Have you cleaned the kitchen? Question mark. Did you clean the kitchen? 15. Pubudu told me, මේකත් දෙකෙන්ම හදන්න පුළුවන්. I have been unable. I have been unable. අප කලිනුත් කතා වුණා be කියන එකේ past tense එක I was. I was unable. I have been unable or I was unable to contact you. The customer asked, tag question එකක්, can I exchange? Can I exchange it? It එක වෙනස් කරන්නේ අපි. Can I exchange it within 2 weeks? Can I? Right, 17. They asked us, where can we buy local products? Where can we buy local products? Question mark. Where can we buy local products? Question mark. Our teacher told us, you have to behave well. අපිට කියන්නේ you. You have to behave. Behave කියන්නේ හැසිරෙනවා. You have to behave well. Right, 19. My brother said, we are organizing a musical show. We are organizing a musical show. We are organizing a musical show. 20. Kumudu told her mother, I don't need to buy a new dress. I don't need. To buy a new dress. I don't need to buy a new dress. 21. The receptionist asked me, have you made an appointment? Have you made? How about the past tense? Did you make? Did you make? Did එක original verb එක. Have you made? Have has එක past participle එක. 22. Aunt Veena asked us, how many sandwiches? අපේ question tag එක how many sandwiches? මේ ටික තනි set එකක්. ඒ sandwiches අයින් කරන්න බෑ. How many sandwiches? right now අපි verb එක change කරලා තියෙන්නේ. We needed. Needed කියන්නේ simple past tense එක. එහෙනම් ඔයා present tense එකෙන් question එක අහන්න ඕනේ. What is the tag? දැන් WH tag එක දැම්මා ඊළඟට යන්න ඕනේ tense tag එක. ඊට පස්සේ අපි SVO දාන්න. Simple present tense tag එක do. You need original verb එක. How many sandwiches do you need? It's a simple present tense question. How many sandwiches do you need? Question mark. 23. Mother advised me. It is an advice, negative command. Don't talk to strangers. Don't talk. Don't talk to strangers. She asked. This is a tag question. So the tag is subject. Is it far to the station? Is it far to the station? 25. Mrs. Walker told me, I am looking, present continuous. I am looking for a new maid. Maid කියන්නේ සේවිකාවක්, right? I am looking for a new maid. සේවිකාව තරුණිය maid. I am looking for a new maid. 26. The minister asked me, did you work? අපි past tense එකෙන් අහනවා නම් did you work? Present perfect එකෙන් අහනවා නම් have you worked? Have you worked? Question mark දාන්න. Did you work in New Zealand? Or have you worked in New Zealand? New Zealand වල වැඩ කරලා තියෙනවද? වැඩ කළාද? They told us. This one also you can write in two tenses. The show hasn't started. The show hasn't started. Present perfect එකෙන් අපි මේක simple past tense එකෙන් අහනවා නම් did එකෙන්. Yeah, the show මේකම past tense කරනවා නම් didn't start, original verb. The show didn't start on time. Didn't and the original verb. (28) My friend said, we have been අපි present perfect එකෙන් යනවා නම් simple past tense එකෙන් යනවා නම් been කියන participle එකේ past tense එක were. We were. Been ගේ past tense එක, right? We were. 29. The doctor said an epidemic fever has risen or rose. Rose. 30. The president said, we welcome new members. We welcome new members. Right. Okay, so you can come to the class to take the new homework paper set. Send your parents any day morning. Right? There is Sabaragamuwa province first term test paper and some other model papers. So from next week, වැඩ ටික කරලා තියන්න ළමයි අපි පුළුවන් විදිහට දිගටම one by one mark කරගෙන යනවා. We have to mark reported speech first page. And the essay environment essay එක right practice paper 3 එකේ essay එකක් තිබුණා environment essay එක and the wireless future මම ඔයාලට WhatsApp කළා wireless future and the passive voice. Right, so all those things one by one complete කරලා තියන්න. Let's see to mark in the class one by one, right? කලින් set එකේ ඔයාලට තියෙනවා reported speech first page එක mark කරන්න, practice paper 4 and this one passive voice tute එක mark කරන්න තියෙනවා, right? Okay. So no questions as usual. Do you have any questions, children? You can mark dictation from Verge to Bluebird. I think the words are in the WhatsApp. I sent 2 pages to WhatsApp last week. You can mark dictation from Verge Addara, Bluebird, Satwa Tel Tattuwa. Right? Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining the online class. Goodbye, children. Good night.
Good night.